want to talk a little bit about this bumper that I made for our trip. And it was really important that I get a high clearance bumper, because the old bumper for a 4th gen, which is what we've got here, it's huge. It came out really far and really low, and I wanted to create as high a clearance angle as possible, so the actual frame, the rear cross frame, is right above this 3/16" plate. So it's all 3/16" plate steel. We got the D-shackle receivers. I moved the trailer hitch wiring from underneath. There's a little port here. Drilled a hole right in through here and just attached it to there. And then did the same thing with the water shower tank port here. So we can pull that down and access the shower line here. And I'll show you that in another video. But that works perfectly. And I just love how strong this is. It's 3/16" steel. And we've got these swing outs. This is the fuel carrier. We've got a ladder on the top. The clearance is really important, so it just clears the spare tire over there. The jack here, so I've got a jack mount on that. And we've got a little ladder on there that I can use to jump up to adjust things on the tent. But this swing out works perfectly. The other thing that I've done with it is I put on a bike hitch mount. So I just welded this all together here, so we can carry our mountain bikes but not lose clearance angle. So if I want to tow something like a traditional trailer, then I've got a hitch that'll go underneath here, but I'm not going to be off-roading with that because that creates way too much contact with the ground. But this bike hitch here comes up to here and then comes up high, and as you can see, actually let me close that for you. And as you can see, it's a lot higher than it would be if it was lower. Like if I had my hitch down underneath the bumper, these bikes would be way down here, way behind. There's no way we'd be able to go off-roading. And Michelle and I just spent the last 3 weeks off-roading. We hit some seriously hard trails on the Alpine Loop and in other areas of southwest Colorado. This worked perfectly. I've got the spare tire over there and the trash bag. This is just the driving cover for the tent. We'll talk about that in another clip.